I'm just going to focus on the forehand side for this one, but it can definitely be done on the backhand, and I actually slightly prefer it on the backhand. But it's this extended rolling drop into the corner. So it's a little bit unconventional, but once you're at a full reach and a full stretch, yes, a great idea is to be able to lob the ball. So from there, I can flick my wrist and lob it. But what I'd like to suggest right now is, even if the lob is available, to have the addition of getting in there and actually just rolling the racket over the ball. So you're just making contact and you're just trying to shut that racket head over the top of the ball. So if that drop's going in, especially if it's tight, there we go. And look how that ball now glues back to that sidewall. So I can have a really long grip, by the way, like if you're going in extended there because you're not looking for much power, you're looking for extension. And rather than just going in and doing this, which works, don't get me wrong, it looks nice and tight, nice open angle racket face, there's something about that little kick and that roll, especially when it's tight, you can roll and glue that ball back in. Again, right out here, tough one. There we go. And you can see my follow through even kicked over ever so slightly. Again, from there, full reach, a little bit high on that one. One more. Here we go. Then it's just coming in. Maybe it wasn't as tight on that front wall as I could have been. So I love this idea about using it as a counter-attacking option. Full reach, full extension, little roll. And it takes a bit of practice. It takes a bit of time to get comfortable brushing over and brushing under and over and around that ball. But why not? Manipulate that ball. Play around within the front corners. Make your opponent's life awkward by putting little spins on it. Yes, there's other shots. Backhand's very similar, a little kick over. But there's something about that forehand full extension in there. You can't do much. Yes, I love the lob, but why not every so often roll it? And what it then does, it produces two very extreme shots, doesn't it? You've got that real dead, dying drop shot there, and you've got that high lift lob. So as soon as your opponent thinks they're getting you under pressure, you go, I've got you in two extremes of the court. Lovely option to have, and good luck having a little rollover, kicking it in, and having fun in that front corner.